Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to tag someone in an Instagram. The first step is open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Create a new post by tapping the plus symbol at the top. Edit the photo. Then done. Then tap next in the top right corner. After you finishing editing your photo, tap next again. Fill out your post as usual. But before you publish, tag people. Tap the photo where you want to tag to appear. Then enter the name or username of that person. And tap the select them. Tap done on your mobile. Then tap share. Then tap OK and publish your post. You can see 2 people tag in this post.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments, any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.